Hi, I'm Valerie with Now Gardening, and if you've watched some of my other videos, you might notice that today I'm filming from a different part of my property. And that's because today I'm here to show you a quick way to harvest cherry plums. We have several trees growing here on the back of our property. I actually already harvested the majority of them. I originally planned a more elaborate video to show you not only how to harvest the plums, but also how to make jam and some other things, but I was having some technical difficulties. So today I'm doing a redo of my filming, but I'm not sure how great these cherry plums are gonna be for making jam because they've been sitting on the tree a little bit longer than I would like them to. Basically, when plums are ready, they only need a little bit of a tickle and they will actually fall off in your hand. There are also a variety of hand tools for picking plums that are higher off the ground, and then some people just use the old get a ladder, put it up, and go around the tree picking it. But in the case here where this tree is probably 10 meters high, about 30 feet tall, then I can't get to the top of it. I could bring a ladder out here, but as you know, as I've discussed before, our whole property is in slopes, so that's really kind of a dangerous thing to do. What I'm gonna use today is the sheet and shake method. So I'm gonna show you kind of a quick and also a little bit of a lazy gardener method for getting your plums. So let's get started.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Okay, we're leaving these for the birds. Well, we're all done with our tree shaking and our cat chasing, so gonna enjoy the fruits, literal fruits of our labor now. Sweet, huh? Really good. If this video is helpful, please click on the like button down below. And if you haven't joined me already, please click on that subscribe button so that we can grow together. See you next time. Bye. Bye.